say the sounds out loud. Look carefully at the special friends. Look at the picture. What can you see? They're flying kites. Fly the kite high. Fly high. Today's new sound is I. Fly the kite high. I. High. Help me Fred talk. I'll say the sounds. You tell me the word. I. The word is hi. Well done. Let's do another one. N, I, t. What's the word? Listen again. N, I, t. The word is night. L, I, t. What's the word? L, I, t. Light. Well done. Listen carefully. F, r, I, t. What's the word? F, r, I, t. Fright. Brilliant. M, I, t. What's the word? M, I, t. Might. Well done. B, r, I, t. What's the word? B, r, I, t. Bright. Good job. Good Fred talk. Shall we have a look at the special friends that make the I sound today? I. 3 special friends in this word. Fly high. I. Your turn. And again. I'm going to hide our I sound in with our other special friend sounds. Let's see if you can spot it. Are you ready? Look carefully at the special friends. Shout them out loud. There it is. 3 special friends. I. Well done. Let's see if we can spot our 3 special friends I sound in this word. Can you see it? I. Let's Fred talk the whole word, shall we? I. What's the whole word? Bright. Well done. Let's do another one. Look for the special friends. Fred talk the word. Say the whole word. Look for the special friends. Fred talk the word. Look for the special friends. Fred talk the word. Say the whole word. Look for the special friends. Fred talk the word. Say the whole word. Well done. Good Fred talking. Let's see if you can read this nonsense word. Silly word made up, doesn't make sense. Can you see any special friends in there? Fred talk the word. Shout the word out loud. Fipe. 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 What a nonsense word. I've got some words with last week's sounds in. Can you do Fred in your head? Look for special friends. Fred in your head. Shh. Secret Fred talk. Now say the word out loud. Bean. Look for special friends. I can see 2 special friends in this word. Fred in your head. Shh. Secret Fred talk. Say the word out loud. 3. Look for special friends. Fred in your head. Shh. Say the word out loud. Fantastic Fred talk. Well done everybody. Can you remember what our sound was today? Fly high. I. 3 special friends. Bye.